Well, today I'm making Bangali Tehari.
Okay, interesting.
Has a
What's in the bowl?
Well, this is yogurt, and I'm kind of stirring it. So when the meat is done, I'm going to add this and then fry it again. Alright. Here's the rice, which is a special rice here.
Okay, what is it called?
This is kalijira.
I know what you mean. Chini guda.
Chinibuda.
Chini guda rice, yeah.
So,
It's very expensive, I've heard.
exactly.
Mm.
So,
Oh, shit.
I'm going to cook it. I'll take this off first,
Mm.
put it aside, and the oil. I'm going to use the oil to cook rice in it.
Oh,
When it's done,
interesting.
almost done.
So what do you have in this? Meat?
Meat.
Oil?
Meat.
No oil.
Yeah, oil, of course.
Okay.
In water. Yeah, a little bit of water.
Salt.
A bit of oil.
Mm.
I cooked it with I fried the onion first, right, and then cooked it, stir fry it for a little while, about 10 minutes.
Mm.
Then I add a little bit of water. All right. So it's going to be done in 10 minutes. After it's done, I'm going to leave it for another 10 minutes
Leave it on the
on the stove.
low flame.
Turn it off. No.
Oh, turn it off, okay.
And then
Mm.
when I open the lid, I'll add this and cook it another 5-10 minutes.
Mm.
Then I'll separate the meat from gravy.
Mm.
The gravy, I'm going to use it for rice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
For making
And
it.
when it's like 70% done, then I'm going to add meat on top and cover it for another 10 minutes.
Okay, will you add
Voila.
more water?
Huh?
That-
When I cook, of course.
Okay.
I have 4 cups of rice,
Mm.
and I'll add 8 cups of water.
Mm, okay.
Double.
Interesting. And what's the name of this dish again?
That's the Tehari.
Tehari.
Yeah, from Bangladesh.
Bangladeshi Tehari.
Yeah.
Meat Tehari.
Meat Tehari.
Oh, very good.
Exactly.
All the best. I'll
Okay.
catch you in a bit.
Sure.
Yeah. See you then.
Kira na? Sabi ko ba, pwede yun.
Smelling it? That's it. Wow. Smells nice. Already.
Oh, nice.